Welcome.
Since you have your Nintendo,
Jesus, the faithful one, the confidence we have, the trust we hold, the hope we carry, rest in his faithfulness. Every promise he has made, his purpose to fulfill. He has the authority to accomplish all. He has spoken his power and limitless. His character changes, his love endlessly. Eric, you guys weren't supposed to do anything. You brought us out here. Dear Don and Mom, we are so glad that you were able to come to spend Christmas with us this year. This is a very special time with the kids to be with their grandparents and create all these love-long memories. May you experience his faithfulness and love during the Christmas season and the coming year. We love you both very much, Eric and Christy.
We love you too.
Eric, you should not have done this, Christy, because you brought us out here.
We wanted to. We were so happy to have you here.
Thank you.
We love you guys.
We love you all very much.
Yeah. Oh, God, Daddy crying.
You may go get it.